Why is it looking so weird? Damn. Okay, I am back. I am back. Let's bring up the charts again. I'm back again. Why is my screen looking so foul? Can you hear anything? Is my sound on? All right, so sound is working. We are back online. Happy to be back. Okay, so you would see, I thought I'm actually waiting for 7 o'clock because currently we're seeing that this this bully scandal is about to form. Um, and I have a strong, as you can, we can also look at this rejections here. So let's see if we can get a break-in structure. Um, I'm not happy with. We can start. We can see that price is making lows here. There's another lower low and another lower low, right? So my thinking is that price would want to come, just continue this trend, this downtrend, and make a new lower low here. You know, this is what I think price wants to do, but we see this could be also a reversal. One leg, yes, the head is busy forming, and this could be the third leg that we are now currently seeing, or the second leg. Let me show you. This looks like a reversal pattern being formed here. Where's my? I need my mouse. Let me just check my mouse. So a reversal pattern would be coming down, one leg, here's the head, right? Making a shoulder, second leg, and then continue going up. So, and that would not be, it will not be against the trend. So that also means if we get a break here now, then price would definitely go for these highs here. But let's wait and see on 1 hour what are we gonna get. So like I said, you can see there's a lower, higher low, lower low, higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if price can break this high here, then that would be a nice entry for us. However, that could also be a target, take profit target. But let me just see here. On the 15-minute, let me just see how many. Yep. So let's wait. It's 1/2 now. Like I said, we are in a downtrend. So for this downtrend to be broken, this high needs to be taken out. Then we can look for buys. It's the only time I will look for buys. But we are in a downwards trend. So I'm watching this 1 hour candle. This one that's busy forming now. You can see if it gives us a bullish candle, then we can expect price to continue because of the strong support here also. We see here multiple rejections, 1, 2, 3, 4 hours of rejection on at this level. Um, yeah, so this we might be sitting in a reversal. Like I just showed you now, also I see this one leg, here's the head, and it could be that this is busy forming a reversal pattern, head and shoulders reversal, inverted head and shoulder pattern. So let me just bring this down there. Um, so yeah, let's wait and see what we get. Um, it's now just consolidating. It's not really structure is not giving us a entry for now, but I am watching this 1 hour candle closely um, to see whether we will get a trade setup tonight. If you are not in my group, we took a nice, all of us, we took a nice sell this morning. Um, we took a the sell here in the London session. If you don't know by now, I trade London session most. That is actually my session that I trade. So this was the setup here. I posted it on my Instagram. So this morning we took a good setup. 3371 was my um, entry, 3371 around there, and then my TP was at 3346. But you will notice that this week came down to 3347. I took profits around here. Took some profits here. This was a good trade this morning on gold. So we had some strong gaps that gold filled this morning. This gap here. Don't forget, overall we are in an uptrend, even though it looks like this is a minor downtrend. So yeah, it's pushing strongly bearish now. The sellers are pushing the price down. The only time that I will look for a sell, like I said, if we can get a breakthrough, if price can then break through here. But since price is bouncing and rejecting strongly from the support areas here, from these weeks, as you can see, we are still looking at buying the market now. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for 7. It's like 20 minutes. Or if we get a 15-minute, a break on the 15-minute, depending on which one happens first. But if this candle, I would like to see where this candle is gonna close now in 20 minutes before I look for an entry. Okay, so I do think if we're going to get a break, we must just be patient still. And I also don't know whether we're gonna, but if we're gonna get a break, my target will be here at the next high, this high here. All right. Target would be around there. This is on the 1 hour, but let's just wait. Let's just wait and to see. 4 hour definitely also looking like a rejection of the support areas, looking strongly bullish. Um, so yeah. All right. So, like I said, I'm just waiting for this 1 hour candle to close. Like it's in 20 minutes time. Let's give it some time. The structure is still busy forming. We can see that strong support is holding. Strong support. Price has not broken through the support for 4 hours straight. Pushed up, came back to that area, and now we get this. Even this pattern here. These two Maribojo candles, strong indication of bullish momentum, and it's at a key level, right? All right, I'm starting to see. Let me just check 15 minutes. Sorry, I know why I put that there. So, I just want to see something. Okay. I just wanted to see something, but I'm not happy with this break here yet. I need this candle to close bullish for us to enter. Okay, it's still it's if it can break past 3369, then that definitely would be my entry. Okay, let's do this. So I said if it breaks above 3369 here, let me just work out our stop loss. Our stop loss will then be just below this week here, these weeks. And our TP will be at 3380. So that is a 3%, almost 4% that we could potentially make on this setup. Right, I'm getting ready for that entry. I'm in. So stop loss is at 3366.55 right here. TP is at the top here. All right, let's go. All right, it's starting to move now. Okay, we see it starting to move now. And just watch now. That is a 15-minute candle, this one. And this 15-minute candle closed above this line here where I said that I would like to enter. So right at the entry, that is a good sign. But but I'm still waiting on the 1 hour. You see, I want this is in 15 minutes, 14 minutes, then this 1 hour candle will close. So I need for price to close above this. That this 1 hour candle needs to be bullish for price to continue going up. Hence, I have my first TP at 3375 right here at the next high, and the TP2 is at 3380 up, all up there. So let's see. And notice this week here, so that is a demand zone. So it's now 10 minutes to 7. And by the look of this 15-minute candle, it shows that police momentum is coming in. So that also means, hi, no, no. I actually only entered now, like 5 minutes ago. Good evening, my friend. I was the previous live. I had to end the live because my sound was off, and I had to restart my PC again. So it's working now. All right. So I took this buy now. Oh my word! I see. Where is this thing now? Sorry, guys. Sorry, sorry. Oh, there's the entry. There's the stop loss is just below this week here on the 15-minute. Um, TP1 is here. It does higher. That is 2%, or you would say 78 pips. And then TP2 is around 100 pips. They up there. That is 3%, almost 4%. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm waiting for the 1 hour actually. If you check on the 1 hour, you'll see that we have a strong bullish candle that will close now in 10 minutes time. So I would love for that candle to close bullish, so that will give us more confirmations of the strong. You see the strong support area here, right here. So these rejections of the support will be confirmed by that 1 hour bullish candle. All right, so let's go now. Let's make it bigger. All right, it's moving now. We're seeing a nice push up. Okay. Is there enough? Oh, on my phone. Actually, need to go charge my phone also. Okay, so if this candle now take out this high, then definitely price is now the market structure is making a new high. As you can see here. So if it breaks this high here, it will make a new high, and then I'll expect a small pullback. Then obviously it's gonna go for that high, and it's gonna make a new high and continue going up. So yeah, that is the idea. That's the reason why I'm holding first to TP1 to this high, and then maybe leave a runner to the next to TP2 there. Hi, hi, hi. You'll notice that this is the second live for tonight because the first one did not have any sound. So I had to reboot the laptop and get in again. Okay, it's now just a waiting game. It's now just a waiting game now. Three minutes before 7, then that 1 hour candle will close, and then we get a bullish candle, That is strong confirmation that price is going to shoot up. No, one more minute, anything can happen. One more minute left on that candle. It does look like gold once this price here. Okay, it wants to take out these highs. Like I said, I'm actually looking for it for price to break this this high here so we can make a new high. So yeah, you see it's starting to break now past it. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. However, I need to wait for this candle to close to see where it's going to close. She's messaging me. See here. We want for price to just break these highs here. That's a strong close. That's a strong bullish close. I am happy with that close. And it's a 1 hour candle. It's closing strong bullish. Um, so I'm still happy with that. Now I just need for price to break this high here. Completely break it. Okay, we will have to wait. It looks promising because that candle is now starting to break the previous weeks, as you can see here. These weeks here. It's taking out these weeks, so if it can close above, that would be awesome. Alright, let's go now. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel so you can know when I go live and you can catch these setups with me for free. I don't charge anyone. I love sharing my trade ideas and trading with others. This morning, if you on my Instagram, you would see if you're in my group, you would see that we took a beautiful cell setup in the London session. I catch that cell so early. 150 pips was the TP1, 200 pips. From entry, it was 200 pips on gold this morning. That drop. You can check my Instagram. And I didn't trade it all by myself. There was other traders also trading the same strategy with me. Um, so yeah, that sell was amazing, and I think I am now back from my losing streak. Like I said on Monday on my live, I was on a losing streak for 2 weeks, but I did not deviate from my trading plan. I did not deviate from my process, from my strategy. I kept on trading. It was the hardest thing, guys. I lost so much money in the past 2 weeks. But I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. You have to adapt to this market conditions. You can't just say, yeah, the market conditions is crap. So, but I'm not changing my strategy. I'm just working on higher risk reward ratio setups. Looking for from a higher time frame perspective. So yeah, so I believe my losing streak is over. This morning setup was a good setup, and we capitalized on the move. I planned the setup actually. I watched the charts early morning from 6 o'clock a.m. this morning. I was on the charts, planned the trade, saw that entry, executed, send my ideas. I can even send so you. I sent the entry, the stop loss. I told them when I was entering, and we took the trade, and that sell played out to more than 200 bucks. So it was a great setup. Those type of setups does not you don't always get that type of setups, but when you do, you have to capitalize. I'm just grateful for that. The fact that my losing streak is over now. Yeah, that is a hard part of trading. I always heard traders talk about losing streaks. I've never been on. I've been on losing streaks for a week, maybe, and then I'll come back. I've never been on a losing streak for 2 weeks. 2 weeks straight, and it was mentally draining. But I came back with a strong focus, strong intention, same strategy, stay disciplined. It's just what all I'm doing now is using higher risk reward. Right, we are up in good profits now. So it's starting to break. Let me just see. It's nicely starting to break these highs, as you can see here, and that is what I wanted, so that it can make a new high and a new high and continue going up. So yeah, that's beautiful. Let's wait it out. Hold to TP. Come on, gold. Let's go now. Let's go. Okay, so that owl is set up. That sorry, the owl is set up. The set up on my mind. The owl is candle is closed now. It's 7 and it closed bullies. And you will notice if you are now on the hourly chart, you can check price is now starting to break the previous high of the previous 1 hour candle. So there's strong bullish momentum still coming into this market. We're taking making use of the momentum. We know between 7 and 8, that's when the momentum is going to push, but it might be longer. So I really hope we will not sit here for an hour for this trade to play. But let's wait and see. Let me see how long it did. I'm not even worried. I wasn't worried about the time this morning on that other trade, but I still have it here. This that was not from 8 to 9:30. That was an hour, an hour and a half. Yeah, that trade setup played out in an hour and a half. 200 pops. Sell setup. Okay, let's go now, gold. Let's go. Push up, push up, push up. We have three bullish candles on the 5 minutes. Just check there. It's all the way up. Nothing can stop us now. It's all the way up. Nice profits there. Nice profits. Lovely to see that it's even breaking now. This it's testing this week here. I love to see it. Now I just wanted to break past that. Beautiful guys. So that we can TP1 is like 37, sorry, 377, 3377, sorry, right here. TP2 we're going to hold all day. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, go. Nice profits, guys, nice profits. And the fact, another confirmation now here, broke this, it completely took out this high now. Nice, nice. Nice momentum there, gold. Nice and strong momentum, right? Come on, gold, come on. 3374 price is currently at 3374. As you can see, it's now testing this area here. But the fact that it broke this week here, no? It's a strong confirmation that bullish momentum is going still. Oh, sucks my. That's a beautiful close. As you can see, guys, I strategically placed this box here on this week just to show you that because of the 15 minute, that's how I manage my trade. So this 15 minute, you can see how this candle closed right above the body of this candle, closed above. It's higher than that week. So strong momentum still. Even though you might see a pullback, but the indication that price wants to, it broke a new high, that means price wants to continue going up. Well, let's wait. Just take note that 3375 is also a key level, right? It is a key level. Hence, I have a TP1 there. So if you are in the setup and you are up nice in profits, secure some profits there as well if you want to. All up to you. You can see it wants to go higher. Price wants to go higher. Oh my gosh, wait, I have to charge my phone. Take you higher. If we get a break at 3375, right? If if we can get a break here and a bullish candle like this one breaking past here, then it's still tonight still going to move up there. But price might just come here and then starting to consolidate and pull back maybe before it continues and make. So that's why I said TP1 will be around there. 3375 up here. Here we go. I think I'm gonna take my $500. I'm definitely happy with the 500. Let me just see here. Beautiful. Okay, that is beautiful. Let's see. You see how it's rejecting off 3395. Went to 3395 and it's rejecting off there now. So let me just get my stuff right here. Let's check where are we now. Okay, so I can remove this. So that high has been broken. It's now we keep our eye on this higher. We would like for price now to break 33975. Sorry, not 95. 75. It touched it, as you can see, price touched 3375 and it's rejecting off there. But this candle is not closed yet. I would like to see that bullish candle close at least above or in this area here. So in order for price to go to TP2. Okay. So 3375 TP1 was hit. Now we going for 3380. All right. Seems like there's no momentum now anymore. Where did the momentum go? Okay, everyone. Thank you guys for joining the live tonight. I am planning to. I'm not gonna close the setup now. I'm still holding the setup open. I'm going to move my stop loss to just below this candle here at 3368 now. But unfortunately, it's now 7:30 in my country, in my area. So please, if you are new on my lives, I go live every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Um, please subscribe to the channel. Make sure the notification bell is on. I take these type of setups every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. I actually do trade mostly the London session in my time. That's in the morning. But live trading on YouTube will be during this time session between 6 and 7. I will always not enter, come live between 6 and 7. Watch my notifications. Um, yeah, I am quite tired, so I am going to say good night, good evening, wherever you are. Thank you for tuning in. And you can watch my other lives as well if you want to. I always share my ideas. I also share my thoughts and my process, what how I follow. I only trade gold live for now, but I am trading GBP USD, but that's for London session. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. See you again. See you again. I'm gonna keep this thread open. I might give send tomorrow or Monday. I might send you a update on how this trade went, or even on my Instagram. But I'm holding open I do think we're gonna get a. You can also watch it. This is on a 15-minute. 3375. If we get a bullish candle here, strong bullish candle, we are aiming for this next high right here. Yeah, on the 1 hour, look at this, guys. If you look at the 1 hour, if it breaks this 1 hour here, it could even go all the way, but obviously not tonight. We know that the market will close in a few hours. But even this high here could be a great target if you want to swing this, if you want to swing this. But for now, this is my plan. This is my plan for tonight. I'm going to put the TP in and a stop loss just below here. If it breaks there, then I'll move my stop loss to break even. Then it's a risk-free trade and I'll leave it. Okay, see you guys. No problem. It's a pleasure. I will be back. Thank you for being on the live. Thank you for engaging. See you. Bye.